ball hits concrete and defies every law of physics you learned in school. A rubber ball slams into concrete at 60 miles per hour. It should shatter. Instead, it rockets back up with 80% of its original energy. Scientists call this coefficient of restitution. But for centuries, nobody actually understood why it happened. The energy vanishes into the material for a fraction of a millisecond, then snaps back like a stored explosion. And the word that captured this phenomenon in every language on Earth was just one thing: boing. In 1965, chemist Norman Stingley invented the Superball at Wham-o by accident. He was compressing vulcanized silicone under 1,000 pounds per square inch. The result bounced 92% of energy back, 6 times higher than standard rubber. Wham-o sold 7 million Superballs in 6 months. But the military had already been watching. They wanted a material that could absorb explosive shock waves and release energy on demand. Stingley's accident had opened a door nobody expected. The physics of boing breaks down into 3 brutal milliseconds. First, the material compresses, storing kinetic energy as elastic potential. Second, molecular chains inside the polymer snap back simultaneously. Third, the energy releases faster than the collision itself. Miss any one of these steps and you get a splat, not a bounce. Engineers at NASA used this exact 3-step model to design Mars rover landing airbags in 1997. Curiosity's safe arrival was literally built on boing. But the real secret went deeper than anyone admitted. Modern material scientists have engineered auxetic foams that boing back with 99% efficiency. These materials appear in military helmets, NFL padding, and shock-absorbing phone cases right now. 1 gram of aerogel bounce composite can absorb 900 times its own weight in impact force. So that satisfying boing from your sneaker hitting a basketball court is not a simple sound. It is a billion years of evolutionary material science compressed into a single moment. The sound itself is your brain confirming that physics worked correctly. The next time you hear that single syllable, stop. Boing is not a cartoon sound effect. It is elastic potential energy releasing at molecular speed, a technology that saved Mars rovers, revolutionized body armor, and made Norman Stingley accidentally famous. Every bounce is a miniature explosion controlled by chemistry. And right now, researchers are building a new class of programmable bouncy materials that could change construction, medicine, and space travel forever. The era of boing has barely started. Next, we go inside the material that stops a bullet without breaking, and the science is even stranger. Subscribe so you don't miss it.